We want to solve the equation 1 plus I times 2 plus z is equal to minus 5 plus 10i. We could start by dividing both sides by 1 plus I. So 2 plus z is minus 5 plus 10i, all divided by 1 plus I. We don't want the 1 plus I in the denominator, so we can use the conjugate and the difference of two squares. We multiply minus 5 plus 10i over 1 plus I by 1 minus I over 1 minus I. So effectively we multiply both top and bottom of our original fraction by 1 minus I. So 2 plus z is equal to, and we're going to expand out, we get minus 5 plus 5i plus 10i minus 10i squared. On the bottom we have a difference of two squares. We get 1, take away I squared, which gives us 2. So 2 plus z is equal to 5i and 10i is 15i, and we have minus 5 plus 10, because I squared is minus 1, which gives us 5. So 2 plus z is equal to 5 over 2 plus 15i over 2. Z therefore is 5 over 2 take away 2, which is a half, plus 15i over 2.